Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a cheaper Netflix subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. It's simple really, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you do that, it will redirect you to this website that's called Gamsgo. Here you can share your password with others under the same subscription, just like a big family. And from there you can get the subscription for a much cheaper price. All you have to do once you go here is open it, sign up, and then purchase right here for Netflix. It's going to be the first option. Then you can choose however many months, such as 3, 6, or even 12 months, and you will save on yourself a lot of money. This is the original price for a normal Netflix subscription. And then from here you can even add a promo code that we encourage under Gummy. This will give you an additional 5% off. And then from here, once you do that, go to payment and then pay for your subscription once you sign up. And there you go, that's pretty much it. And as you can see, as easy as that, I'm sharing this account with other people and this is my separate account and each one watches on their own. Very safe, very easy. I've been using Gamsgo myself for the past 3 years and I saved a lot of money and I use it and it's totally safe. So click at the link in the description and get it yourself. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.